Okay guys, wanted to give y'all a room tour of it's a balcony spa cabin on deck 12 on Carnival Breeze. This is room 12009. Come in the room, it's pretty much the basic amenities as a regular balcony cabin. Has all the, this one has a couch in it and a little work area, king size bed that can obviously too be converted into a twin bed. Has plenty of space just like your other balcony cabins. Has storage up there, TV, and then down there is the refrigerator, and the refrigerator works quite well in this one. All of your cabinets, the normal cabinet space that all of your other balcony cabins and stuff have. We have ours completely full of stuff already. So anyway, plenty of this is the closet space. Is plenty of coat hangers when we got in here, so we were able to hang up all of our clothes. So the bathroom is the same as the next category up from the spa balcony is a junior suite, and that would be a bit bigger of a bathroom, but this one has the same bathroom as your standard balcony cabin, and I think even in your interiors. So nothing fancy about the bathroom. It's all the same. We'll talk about the amenities that come along with this spa balcony here in just a minute. And let's see, so out here is your balcony, regular size balcony. It's no different as far as size than any other balcony. So you have your two chairs and your table, and of course the spectacular view. We are out in the middle of the Caribbean right now. This is actually the second day of the cruise. So move back in here and we'll talk about the things. So let's talk about the things that comes along with a spa balcony. So you have unlimited access to the thalassotherapy pool. It's a hard word to say, thalassotherapy. Maybe saying that wrong. The steam rooms, there's three. There's two that are entirely too hot for me to get in, but there's one that's a therapy room with some hot stone loungers that you can lay in. That's very nice. I've enjoyed that. My wife and I have completely taken advantage of that. And the other thing is the Elemis amenities, body lotion. I think there's some shower gel, some things like that. Those are really nice too. I don't use those things much, but I've used them because they come with the cabin. So anyway, that's the room, and this is again the Carnival Breeze on room 12009 spa balcony.